Hello everyone, my name is Laor from Cube Online Design College, and today I want to talk with you about business, about achieving more in life, about creating wealth, about creating your own path, your own way to create your freedom. And I know that it may sound to you like a mumbo jumbo and you heard those words before, but I would like to tell you about myself so you will understand and you will resonate with my words, with me, so you will be able to see that I'm walk the walk, not only talk the talk. So as I told you, my name is Laor. At the year of 2008, I established Cube Online Design College. This is a college that teach interior design worldwide. We're working now at 14 different countries around the world, and I built it with my two hands, online only. And it was when all the media just started, the social media started, Facebook and Instagram wasn't exist. There were Twitter and LinkedIn, MySpace, and I just did it. I did it, and thanks God today we're big enough and growing every day. So I know what it takes in order to build an online business. When I'm looking online to see, because I like to learn, I love to learn, and when I'm looking online to see what other people are doing in order to grow their business, in order to build an online college, I don't see nothing that can make me curious about what they have to say. Most of them, and I have nothing against anyone, okay, but most of them are just talking the same words, the same thing, the same thing that you're reading online, but there is something that bring you to the next step from building your own course, your own Yodmi course, then to go to the next phase of building a college with real students, real customers that pay you high amount of money because you give them value. Okay, the value is important. So today I want to talk with you about this, about business, about how you grow yourself, what you need to do in order to grow yourself, and how you do it. So the first thing you need to do in order to grow yourself is understand who you are. And I know it sounds kind of, what I mean by who am I? To know who you are. At the moment you know who you are, you can build yourself to the highest level. Because most of the people I see, I walk the walk of life like you, most of the people do not value themselves enough, do not think that they're worth something. And I will give you an example. Please, the next time you are walking on the street, take a look to yourself and watch, where do you look with your eyes? Do you look straight forward or do you look down? Most of the people look down. And why? Because they are ashamed. Ashamed of what? I don't know. We've been trained, we've been manipulated, we've been programmed to be a good citizen. And I have nothing against citizenship, but we were trained to be good citizens, good people, which is great. We need to be good people and good citizens. But when you train yourself, when you programming yourself to be a good citizen, then is the point where you, how should I say, when you down yourself, when you conquer yourself, and not on the good side, not from the good side. It's when you just like a robot, because you need to be a part of a machine that need to work. Okay, and we see different societies worldwide today that we can tell, okay, those are robots. And again, I have nothing against citizenship and against countries. I think we need them, we need to be part of them. But you need to build your own world, you need to build your own country, country. So first of all, you need to understand yourself, you need to behave to yourself. you need to value yourself. When you value yourself, you will be able to get more. Okay, I will give an example. Let's say that a man, I don't know, try to get into a relationship. You know, maybe you don't have a girlfriend and you're trying to hit on a girl. Okay, if you don't have enough confidence, you will be the guy that sits in the corner and waiting for someone to come and talk to him. Okay, but you know, life is very interesting. Life cheers to one who stand and walk the walk, who run. You know, in football, there are the players and there are the people who sit and just explaining the game. The one that will take the trophy and lift it high will be the player, not the explaining guy. The explaining guy will say, and now he took the trophy and held it high in the air. Okay, but the one who feels the joy, who tastes the sweat, is the player, not the one that sits in the air condition. Okay, so you need to stand up and walk the walk. You need to stand up and sweat. Yes, it will not be easy. I can tell you, it will not be easy, but you must do it, because if you will not do it, somebody else will do it. And it's okay, because not all of the people supposed to be business owners. Okay, some people, most of the people, by the way, is supposed to be employees. Okay, and it's okay. Everything is okay. So the first thing, as I told you, you must understand yourself and value yourself. It's a must. It's something that you cannot underestimate. It's a must. Like you breathe, it's a must. Now, the second thing you need to understand is that you must go with your passion, go after your heart, go after your love, what you want to do. Because if you will, let's say, sell something, okay, on Amazon, you sell something that you don't love, you just heard that you can make a good money. You have two options. One option is that you are over there just to make the money. You know, you just make money, and maybe it will not last long because you're just doing your job. Okay? And the second thing that may happen to you is that you will fall in love with your job, and then you will understand the product, and then you will take this product and upgrade this object, this product, to make it better. And then you will fall in love with your job, and then you will, you will not have to work one day in your life because you just enjoy what you are doing. So you must find your niche, and your niche will come from the things that you're doing now. Because if you like to, I don't know, like cook, maybe this is a passion. If you like Japanese cooking, if you like, I don't know, I don't know, interior design, social marketing, I don't know. Just watch, deep down, take a deep down look to yourself and understand what would you like to do, okay? And when you find what you like to do, then you must do one thing. Build, I don't know if it will be a website for start. Yes, you will need a website, but let's say landing page, okay? And then you will build a landing page, a beautiful landing page that can convert people into leads, okay? What is a lead? Lead is a person that just signed up the form, gave you his contact information, and you can contact him and try to sell him what you want to sell. And when you will have a system that is working, then you can expand it. So let's say you like to cook Japanese cooking, Japanese food. So maybe the next step will be to sell knives, Japanese knives. And the next step will be to sell soy sauce. And then maybe you can open your online store, e-commerce. So you can understand the way that you need to think in order to grow yourself, grow your business. And the reason your business will grow, it's only because you are in the phase of growing, okay? If you will not grow yourself, you will just have a business that makes money, which is okay, but you must think big. You must think for building a legacy. In order to, if something is hard for you, by the way, from my experience, if something is hard for you, the only thing you need to do is to think that you're not doing it for yourself, you're doing it for your kids, for your legacy, for your grandsons. And when you do something bigger than you, you have no right to complain. This is the way I think. So this is my message for today. I would love to make some more videos for you, and if you would like to see more about learn more about my courses and everything, you have a link down below. Click on it, and I will see you on the next clip. Bye bye.